Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got a double challenge on our hands. Two fallen trees are in the way, and it's up to us to clear them out. This is going to be a big job, but I'm ready. Let's get to it. All right, here's what we're dealing with. Tree number 1 over here is blocking the path, and tree number 2 is lying pretty close to it. The first step is to assess the scene. Are there any hazards, unstable branches, or tricky angles? Always take a moment to plan your approach. Double trees mean double the work, but I am prepared. I've got my electric chainsaw, gloves, helmet, and shoes. Remember, safety is key when working with heavy trees and power tools. Let's start with the first tree. The plan is to cut into smaller sections first to make the trunk more manageable. It's all about working step by step, no rushing here. Now the trunk, I'm cutting it into smaller sections to make it easier to handle and move it on a side. With the first tree done, it's time to take on tree number 2. Same process here, start small and work up to the big stuff. But this one has a bit more of a lean, so we'll have to be extra careful about how it shifts as we cut. The complicated part here is we have high pressure in the tree. Never rush with cutting this kind of tree when there is pressure. Very often in this kind of situation, we can be injured. If you can hear the sounds of how the tree is broken, and we will continue slowly to cut piece by piece. Two trees down and now it's cleanup time. It's a lot of work, but nothing beats the satisfaction of a job well done. And that's how you take care of two fallen trees like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any of the action. Got a big job like this? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Ride fast, ride free. See you next time.